So sitting down comfortably, take a few slow, deep breaths. Taking your time, breathing in fully through the nose and exhaling out completely and slowly through the mouth. Enjoying the breath, enjoying the feeling of air entering and leaving your body. Now go back and think of a time when you felt great about yourself. Maybe after a game you won, a problem you solved, some milestone that you achieved. It doesn't matter if the event is big or small. Just identify an event where you felt a sense of confidence and achievement. Allow yourself to picture that event. What happened? How did you feel? Connecting deeper with how you felt. Were you standing straighter, prouder? Was your breath more relaxed and expansive? Did your mind feel sharp, strong? Visualizing, connecting with that event, the time you were filled with confidence. Allowing those feelings to come back, connecting with those feelings, those sensations, the positive, confident thoughts. See and experience how confident and motivated you were, the positive energy you felt. Notice that you are feeling that now, feeling confident, relaxed, energized. Allowing this feeling to fill your whole body. See if you can connect with these statements, saying it silently to yourself. I feel good about myself. I have much to feel good about. I have achieved so much and learned so much already. I have beaten many challenges in my life, surmounted so many obstacles to get to where I am today. I am motivated to bring my best, to do my best, to seize the opportunity. I am confident of my ability to try, to succeed, to learn from my mistakes and to come back even stronger. I am filled with a relaxed, confident energy. Moving your attention back to your breath. Experiencing the gentle, relaxed confidence of the breath. Notice any light shining through your eyelids. And slowly and gently open your eyes.